Okay, so really annoyingly, I videoed this bit without actually pressing play. So we're going to have to do this bit again. So here we have our figure, okay, and it tells us a diagram. So we've said a diagram showing the formation of an Oxbow lake. So we need to pick out the really key information that we're told on this figure. So the first thing that we've got is the fact that the floodplain, we've got this scale line, and the floodplain is 100 meters wide, and it tells us that on here. So we need to use that information. We're also told that the top of the picture is north, okay, which suggests that the river is flowing from north to south. Remember, rivers always flow downhill, okay, and that suggests it's flowing north to south. So it's going from here and winding down. So the idea, it's going downstream, so south. Okay, we've also got on here, they've really kind of clearly indicated where we've got areas of deposition. So to remind us, okay, so on the inside of every single meander, we've got these funny crescent shapes, and that shows us that that is deposition, okay, and we've got our slip off slope. And it is absolutely fine and really good practice in the exam to take a couple of minutes and annotate any figure that you're asked to use, particularly in an 8-mark question, okay, because we have to refer to this figure in order to access the high level marks. We've also got terminology on here. So we've got the words meander, Oxbow Lake, floodplain. So we can use that, we can build that into our answer. Okay, if we've got the slip-off slopes on the inside of the meander, that means on the outside, hopefully we'll remember that we've got river cliffs. Okay, and this is figure 4. It tells us in the exam question that we need to refer to figure 4. So we need to use that word, figure 4, in our answer. Okay, now when I thought I was videoing this before, I then wrote down these things in my evidence box. So here they are. Okay, so the fact that it's 100 meters from the floodplain. The river flows from north to south. Okay, on the inside of the bend, we've got a slip-off slope and we've got a river cliff on the outside. And then I've put in big writing and underlined it, figure 4. So in my writing, I would say there is a 100-meter floodplain as shown in figure 4, or the river flows from north to south in figure 4. Okay, so we need to try and build these different facts into our answer.